This property is a 4-bedroom, 3 full baths, and 2 half baths. Colonial. The list price has recently been reduced to $1,150,000. Interior features of this property include a recreation or bonus room, a formal dining room, a finished basement, natural gas heat, and a gourmet kitchen. On the outside, this property features an attached garage and a slate roof. The approximate square footage is 3,306 square feet. This property is represented by
Marc D Infeld with Long & Foster's Bethesda Gateway office.